But if backflow is such a big risk, why aren't more people talking about it?
That's exactly the problem. Homeowners across the country don't even realize that backflow can happen. And without proper testing, everyone's water is at risk.
That's ridiculous. Why would anyone not test their backflow?
Why indeed?
I don't want my water at risk.
Think of the children.
Someone has to do something. Hey, Jim, you ever hear of backflow?
Back what?
Backflow.
Well, I guess that's my cue.
Oh, hey. I've got this one.
Go get him, champ.